Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and today we are having a little tour of the different types of scams available. We'll start with phone scams. As more and more people have smartphones, one of the things that will also happen is more and more people will get some form of scamming text message. It could be a call. It does happen, and there are some calls, but a lot of them are using text messaging also. So whether it's a call or a text message, they're always the same thing. So for example, you get a text message that says, oh, you got, Bitcoins. Have you ever dabbled and done things with Bitcoins? No, well, you don't have Bitcoins. You'll never have Bitcoins if you don't buy Bitcoins. They're not getting and giving Bitcoins for free. And this is one of the scams. And it says, oh, well, click here, you'll accept the transfer. What it will usually do is try to bring up what looks like your app or your bank, and depending on that, it will actually ask you tons of personal details. Remember, anything that asks you for very specific personal information, account numbers, password for the bank, nobody needs that. Nobody. Even for a transfer of money. I do Interact e-transfers regularly on my phone. You don't need a password for that. The bank's password is useless. Money is transferred and that's it. So there's all sorts of things like that you got to be careful. No personal information at all. This is a scam, so this is part of it. You might have a scam of you've won something. Call here. No, don't. Scam. Bank account suspended, stuff like that. You never receive that by email, or you never receive that by text message, ever. If your bank account is suspended, you know what's going to happen? If you go to your bank account with the internet, it's going to tell you, well, you better contact your branch. So you contact the bank directly. Don't answer any online scams. Don't answer anything. I know. When it has to do with our money, with the bank, we all have that little shiver going down our spine because it's fundamental. It's scaring us with the most basics of what we have, our money. And there's never a text message or an email sent for something like that. Never, never, never believe anything like that. Lawsuits. There's so many of these recently. I've received even phone calls here from, oh, by the way, you better call us back because a lawsuit will be filed against you. Scams. Once again, trying to scare us, and that's the best way to steal money from us, is to scare us with something like that. It is not true. You will not have that. You know what? If you do, or if you have to be in court and you'll have a lawsuit, you'll get a registered mail letter, or you'll get, someone visiting you and saying, hey, by the way, you got to show up in court on this date. That's it. And nothing else than that. There's no text messaging. They don't even know you are. And it's random, Another one is refund from the IRS. Oh, yeah, well, your tax revenue, we're going to, basically refund you some money. You paid too much taxes last year. Once again, another scam. So be careful. These are many scams. Share this video to make sure that everybody understands email and text message scams from this are scams. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.